Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the evening. Lots of you asked me to make a video at nighttime showing you the streets at night. It's not really nighttime, but it is evening and it is dark, so here we go. We're gonna walk a little bit around and see how the Christmas situation looks out here. Interesting shop here on the right side. You got some street food over here, I think. Huh. Lots of places opening at night as well. We're also gonna check out the beach, how the ocean looks like at the moment. The beach sides at night. I'm pretty sure today was a good day for the beach clubs because it was very, very good. Perfect sunny day today. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the evening now today. Also gonna post it right away, I think tomorrow in the morning. So when you see this in the US, it will still be 23rd in the evening. And for everyone else in our hemisphere, it's gonna be Christmas. But no matter what, Merry Christmas to everyone watching. These are the Christmas walks here. I'm of course always keeping you updated. Interesting electric wire in the tree here. I had to actually let me know in the comments how the look is now, because I'm not filming on 60 frames per second, I'm filming on 50 frames per second. And because of all the LEDs, the LED signs are blinking non-stop at night. Look at this, how beautiful it looks here. If we would have not these morons with the motorbikes here, then it would be so nice. Look at this. They always win. They always win. This is crazy. The filling station is every day I see it, it's full. Every day it's full. Oh, look at this. Will Travels. Look at this. Plug yourself, Will Travels. How you doing, man?
What's up, guys?
All right. How you doing, man?
Mark.
Nice to meet you. Hi, Fluffy. How are you?
I'm back.
Okay. You're back. Okay.
Yeah, have a good
Well,
night.
okay. All right. Have a good day,
Merry
man.
Christmas.
Okay. Bye-bye. You see? Lots of people you see here on the streets. I'm wondering why the filling station is always so full. But yeah, look at this. How beautiful it looks today. Nice. And the smokes of the Bambao guy, the open fire on the motorbike, gives a nice burny feel to it. So it feels more Christmassy, I feel. It's also nice, and it's a nice breeze right now. It's not too hot, but it's also not cold. It's not raining. So yeah, awesome. Oh my God. Do you hear this? I hear the electric wires. Bro. Dude. This sound it sounds so scary. Look at this. So this is like a, I'm not sure what that means in English, but for Tyler. Dude. I hope this stays safe. But yeah, look at the beautiful streets. It's a little bit humid today. A little bit of mist around. But yeah, the street's looking beautiful. Should we walk here? Yeah, we should walk here. I think it's a little bit more interesting. Also in the evening, of course, at the end of this street, there will be a very popular place to be in the evening. I definitely have to show you that too. Look at this huge, what is this, an X-Max? No, it's a, I don't know what it is. It's an ADV? Zontes? Huh, I don't know what it is. Looks like a big bike. I've never seen this before. Zontes. Looks like an ADV. Got the pizza store here. Not much has changed here. But yeah, this is how the vibe is at the evening here. Dinner time in Da Nang, Vietnam. The Christmas time. It is nice and dry. No rain in the rainy season. Beautiful. If you want to have Good prices here. Winmart is very good. Winmart has everything almost. It feels also Winmart has the same prices as in the big supermarket. But look at this. They just opened up. Zen Lotus Hotel Apartment. Just opened up, guys. Another Banbao guy. Hello. Yeah, lots of Banbao guys. There's Pataka still open. This building also, they painted it, put some glasses or some windows in, and now it's gonna become something. This is crazy. This building was like for many years now just an empty shell. Crazy. Now they're doing it. 3 years ago when I came here the first time, it's just a rough estimation of my personal opinion, but I think 70% of all the apartments here in the Antung area were just not done or just empty and not even on the market. Hello! So it's crazy, it's absolutely insane. And now they're all developed, put in some furniture and rented out. So yeah, lots has changed here. But still, it still has the chill vibe here, I feel. And if I look now, last week I was in Thailand, I think. This is tourism. This is crazy tourism in Thailand, which is also has its charm, you know. Everything is there for, yeah, you can get everything there because it's so much tourism. Here, you still have these empty spots that will not happen in Thailand in the big main tourist areas. Everything is done already. So here they have to build a lot still. Yeah, I should not walk here. Guys, don't walk here. Always walk on this side, guys. Protein smoothies. Dude. This is amazing. Natty AB. Hello. Hi. I just want to check out what you have. Oh, awesome. You see even the calories. Protein smoothies. That's awesome. This is what Da Nang needs, huh? Awesome. Okay, cool. All right. And those are the prices here, right? Awesome. And then you can get extra whey protein, chia seeds. Okay. Since when do you open?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. All right. And have a successful start, okay? All right. So this is protein smoothies here at the night market, guys. Check it out. What is going on here? Yo. Can I walk through here? Huh. Hi. Hello. Ciao. Just want to see what's going on here. Okay, hi. Check this out, guys. The Nang Vegetarian Restaurant. So this is a huge event here. And even I get cameraman. Yeah, awesome. Okay. This is amazing. Okay, cool. Have fun. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. Oh, beautiful Vietnam. That might be my thumbnail here. Whoa. If you're at 8 minutes 55, you're still here? Oh boy. How can they have such a big opening if it's just a vegetarian restaurant there? So, few walks ago, I told you about they're constructing something. And now they have Da Nang Vegetarian Restaurant. So this is what it is. Very interesting, guys. I don't know if that's, wow. If I open up a restaurant or a coffee shop, I want to have this kind of entrance too. It's fantastic. Ah! Oh boy. Let's check out the beach. The ocean is very close though. Wow. That's a little bit scary there. Why is it so close? Whoa! Oh my God! That's insane. What is going on here? It feels like it gets closer and closer. It's around 1 meter high, this wall. Oh man. I really hope this will just dissolve naturally. But you know what? Today was such a beautiful day. As you can see here, they all had beds out. And lots of people were at the beach today. Hello! Oh, everything good? Some motorbike parked here. It's not legal to park here, guys. If you see motorbikes, it's usually the owners. And they maybe have a extra permit to park right at their store or at their stand. What's going on over there? My God. Jeez. Yeah. Lots of you asked me about nighttime shots here at the beach. Lots of people are running. It's very busy. It's bright. The lights, lots of LED lights here everywhere from the hotels. And you even have Flutlicht, that's the German word for today. Whatever light is like a very strong light, you have to the beach even. So everything is very lit up perfectly. So you don't have like some sketchy places here. I still don't recommend going anywhere south at somewhere where no one is. You should never be, right? Just don't do this. But if you walk here, I could say 24/7 you can walk on the beach here in the Antung Mian area, 24/7. 5 o'clock in the morning, no problem. There are more people. There are same people out here like now, and they're all locals. Super safe. So maybe 3 o'clock it might be a little bit more empty, but still, probably people were gonna be there. Maybe some drunk people who wanna relax on the beach. Yeah. Or some couples wanna hang out there or something. Yeah, the Maya, very busy again. Also nicely decorated. The nightclub, nightlife. Maybe I should say more nightlife. Nightlife, nightlife, nightlife. Oh, look at this. Look at this beautiful nightlife in Da Nang. Nightlife in Da Nang. Maybe I'm getting ranked more now. Yeah, very chill. If you don't like Maya, you can also relax just here on a nice little stool right at this peaceful, beautiful beach here in Da Nang, Vietnam. My An Beach. You can get coconuts, you can get a beer, you can get whatever you want. You can also sit here. They made it very pretty here. Yeah. And then you have also lots of nightlife over there. Get some beach clubs. We gotta check out Kala Kala soon. Maybe we do a live stream there. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Can we make it? Can we make a pavement check walking channel to be over 10,000 subscribers? Hit the subscribe now, it's free. I'll keep you updated here. For the best pavements here. Maybe I should have that in my title as well. Pavement check Da Nang. Wow. You get Haiyan, Rosa Mia. But yeah, I'm gonna go back. I'm not gonna go back there. Massage? What? What did I just hear? A woman just came to people and asked for massage. What? This happens in the evening here? Oh my God. So in the evening also this traffic light is on. And yeah, it shows you the time. It's pretty good. It's good that they have it on at night at least. On the daytime it's usually off. Maybe to save some energy, or I don't know. But I think at night you really need it. This is how it looks, guys. The nighttime in Da Nang. Da Nang after dark. Very peaceful. Very nice. Today was a beautiful day. I've been here the last few Decembers. I never seen it like that. It's usually rainy and cold, guys. Even the barbecue banh mi is open. Beautiful. Whenever you need some Crocs, you will get it delivered to your doorstep. Wherever you sit, you can buy some Crocs, just like Marcus, and then be single forever. Oh. I really like this view here. I like when I walk over here on this street and then look towards that. It's very nice. Especially in the evening. I can hear some electric. No, it's here. Dude. I mean, I've only seen an electric wire fire once. It was very scary. Only once, but oh boy. I hope everything is set up correctly. It's also Barrett Zone. I feel like it's not really there yet. They need more stores inside. They need a little bit more entertainment, maybe some exotic dancers or something like that. It looks okay-ish, but something is missing still. There's a little bit of a soul missing, I feel. And like, how can you have something, do like something like this? There's nothing there. It looks like it's not done yet, you know? We have some signs, but it's not printed there yet. Why do you put it up? Aluminium panel. All right. So it always feels like it's not there yet. It's not open. And like these key places, when you look at it, has to be open. There has to be something going on. Maybe get someone with a wok there and like get a big fire all the time. Like a crazy eye catcher. That's what I want to have. All right, guys. Hello. You almost asked me for massage, probably. Oh my God. This is why I'm an old man, guys. I'm walking now in the evening when it's dark. Usually I'm at home. I'm editing or doing something else. Yeah. I don't even go out at evening and so often. I should do it more often, maybe. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Oh my God. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the like button. Have a good miracle New Year and have a great Christmas. Enjoy your day and see you in the next walk.